Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on the HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Okay, so first we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, simply scroll down into the bottom until you find System and Updates. And now find Backup and Restore. Click on that. Above we have the HUAWEI Backup. Let's click on that. And here we have the external storage and the HiSuite. I'll show the HiSuite as a last method, so don't worry because we need a computer to do it. But first, let's click on the external storage, then click on Go. In here, we need to give permissions to everything. So click on Allow all the time for everything in here simply. So select Allow under each thing. Okay. And now simply plug in your external storage. In here I have something like that with me. So simply plug it into your phone. Okay, you can now see that USB storage appeared. So simply click on that. And now click on Backup. Now select what you want to backup. And click on the Backup button below. Now in here we need to create a password. And it must contain from 8 to 32 characters long. And also numbers, uppercase letters and lowercase letters. So create your password. Okay, then click on Next. Now you need to retype it. And click on Next. Now set a hint to help you, then click on Done. And now as you can see, the backup process has started. So let's wait until it's finished. In my case, it's not going to take long because I didn't select to backup the apps. If you want to do it, simply select it also. Okay, but now we need to wait a few seconds until it's finished. Okay, 99%. And now it should be done. Okay, backup has been completed. Backed up items, completed item 6. Click on Done. Now we can simply unplug our device. Okay, let's place it up on its place. So that was the first method. I won't go into the HiSuite yet because there's also one thing that I didn't show you, but because it's not under that settings. But open up the settings, click on your HUAWEI ID. In here, you need to have your HUAWEI account. Now, click on the cloud. Click on the HUAWEI Pura. And in here, you can select the backup options, what you want to backup. In here, simply select or unselect the things that you want or don't want to backup. And now click on Backup. Now the process will also start, so we need to wait until it gets into 100%. Okay, so I'll see you once this process is finished. Alright, my backup has been successfully finished. You can see it now on the screen. Simply click on Done, and now our backup is stored in our HUAWEI ID Cloud. So that's pretty cool. So that was the second method, and now let's go straight into our HUAWEI suite. So I need to open up my computer and I'll show you what to do next. Alright, so now we are on my computer, and now we need to download the HiSuite app. So simply open up your browser, type HUAWEI HiSuite. Okay, get on the first link, And in here, if you have a Mac, if you have a Windows, click right in here, and if you have a Mac, click next to it. Click simply in here. Okay, once you have downloaded the app and installed it, open it up. Okay, in my case it's in the Polish language, but it shouldn't be a problem. I'll just translate for you. I don't know why I cannot change the language. Okay, now connect your HUAWEI into your PC using the USB-C cable, and now also on your phone you need to select to use USB to transfer files. It is really important. Also now we can click on USB on the PC, and here we have a tutorial. Also we need to open up the settings, and we need to type the HDB. You can see it on the screen. Okay, click on allow for HDB. Okay, and select allow connection via HDB. Now this appeared on the screen. Click on OK. Now you can see that on our PC a confirmation appeared. Okay, now on our device HiSuite appeared. Click on agree. Click on allow. And now we need to type this code in our HiSuite app on the PC. So let me do it. Okay, then click on connect. Okay, now we have our HUAWEI in our app. And now to create a backup, click on copy. It's right in here. Now on your device, click on allow. Click on OK. In here, click on OK. We need to wait a few seconds right now. Okay, and now we need to manually select what we want to copy or don't want to copy. So simply select what you want. I'll just select everything except apps, and now click on copy. Now again we need to set a password and also the hint to it, and again it needs to contain from 8 to 32 digits and contains numbers, big letters and small letters. So create your password. And also the hint. Click on OK. Now the process has started. So now let's simply wait until it's finished. Okay, everything has been successfully copied. Now we can click on ready, and now everything has been successfully saved. Of course, if you want to restore the backup also from this app, all you need to do is to tap on the restore button. It's right in here, and you will have a possibility to restore your backup. Same thing, of course, if you want to restore the backup from the HUAWEI Cloud. You need to be logged into the same Google account or any other thing that you used to create your HUAWEI ID. So let's say you turn off your phone, you reset your phone, and if you want to restore that data, you can always use the HiSuite app on your PC, your external storage that we also used, or the HUAWEI ID, just like I have said. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.